There are three important terms relating to the digestive system, which I'm going to explain now. So first of all, let us define the term digestion. It is the breakdown of large food molecules, that is the food that we eat, so that they can be absorbed. And this breakdown occurs, of course, here in the mouth. This is called physical digestion. But in the mouth also chemical digestion occurs, as does in the stomach and in the small intestine and also in the large intestine. So it is physical and chemical digestion. It's the physical and chemical breakdown of large food molecules. In the mouth, stomach, and in the small intestine. Let me explain this to you using a drawing. This is a large food molecule, something that we're eating. Then it is first physically broken down into smaller food molecules in the mouth. And this is referred to as physical or mechanical digestion. And that's chewing. That is chewing. So I mistyped this here, misspelled it. And these smaller food molecules, food particles now have a larger surface area, and therefore they can be more easily chemically digested into the individual nutrients that the body can absorb. And that is over here is now it's a chemical digestion. So let's move on to the next term. The next term is absorption, and absorption is the uptake of digested food molecules into the blood. So once after they have been digested here in the stomach and also in the small intestine, it is then taken up into the blood, and from the blood it first goes to the liver, and then over here in the liver the blood is cleaned and toxins and other harmful substances are removed. But this is the process of absorption. So important for this, and this is going to be explained in another video, important for these are the so-called villi. The villi in the small intestine, they increase the surface area for absorption. So there are many blood vessels in the small intestine which carry the nutrients away. And the last term that I'm going to explain is assimilation, and this one is a little bit more complicated to explain because after the food molecules have been passed to the liver, it goes on to the cells of the body. And the cells of the body will now make body-owned substances. They will convert these nutrients to new cell material. So, in other words, to give you a drawing over here, is we have over here the nutrients, the food molecules, the small ones. They are taken up into the cell, and the cell, and if this is our nucleus over here, will now assemble them and connect them into new chains. Yeah, and these are then the new molecules which the cell makes. And this process is called assimilation, and of course happens in the cells of the body. So these are the three important terms. Digestion is the breakdown of substances, of food molecules. Absorption is the uptake into the blood, and then assimilation is when these nutrients are then used to make new body material. Strictly speaking, assimilation is not part of the digestive process, because it happens after digestion has been completed.